Hello everyone, good evening. I hope we are doing fine. So I'm here with another scenario based question and their solution, and then I will let you know how you can extract day, month, year, and then how you can calculate the age if someone is asking you that my date of birth is this and how old am I. So you can let them know through one formula which I will definitely going to teach you how you can use it on Excel, right? So we will solve all these questions which is there at the right side, five questions, and then extract how to how to extract day, month, and year. So as I've already told you that any formula in Excel is start with equals to either plus sign. So I'm going to start with equals to, right? And I need to extract day, right, from this date which is 15/5, right? So press DIY and you will have a formula here. Select the serial number. So this called serial number because this is not a single number, this is serial number, right? 15/5/1998. Close the bracket, you will get that date out of this date. And somebody is asking you that I need to extract month from this date, do that as well. That's very easy. And if someone is asking that you need to extract year, so you can do that as well. Okay, so we have applied formula in three cells here, and if you want to apply all these formula at the bottom where where you have got the data at the left side, either you can get your cursor down here and press Ctrl Shift up arrow key to select the top cell where you have applied the formula and press Ctrl D, right? So you will able to apply the top formula till the bottom where you have the data, or where till where you want to apply the formula. Otherwise, we do have another option. You can select top three cells, get your cursor here at the right side. Once it is converting to bold plus sign, double click on it and it will be applied all of them. Okay, so now very interesting, and it is very much used. I mean, everyone is curious what is my date of birth, and they are not able to calculate it manually. That taking very long time. So don't worry. In Excel, that's the solution. We have got the formula to extract them. I mean to know the exact year, that is called year track. So select it. Now you can see it is asking start date. So start date will be when the person was born, and then end date. So I'm asking you again, guys, if you are applying any formula, right? So first, before clicking on enter, please read the formula very carefully. That is self-explanatory, that what you need to do next, right? So I have selected start date. Now it is asking the end date. End date you can do today's date, right? Today is 23rd 10 2024. Either you can type it manually here, or you can use another formula for today, that is today. Okay, so I have selected today and then I have pressed enter. You can now see this as Ramesh is 44 years old, right? So once again, if you want to apply this formula till the bottom, select it and press Ctrl D and it will be applied automatically. I hope you guys are getting it. That's very easy. That's not a rocket science which you are not able to do it. That's very easy. Once you will start practicing, it will be on your fingertip. You will able to do it within a second. You can apply, you can use multiple formula, right, all together. So that totally depends on your practice. Believe me, that's very easy. Okay, so we'll now move to the question here. So the first question says, how many students, right? So I've already told you that if I need to count something which is an alphabet, I need to use count A, right? Count A. So how many students? Till here, close the bracket. Boom. You can see that there are total 11 students, right? Okay, so for an example, if I'm using count, see, we are getting nothing here, right? Because count A will be applied for alphabetic. Uh, if you want to count something, and if you want to count numbers, you can use add numbers. So I'm showing you, letting you know that where count works. So these are the numbers, right? See, right? So this is the difference in between count A and count B. If someone is asking you that what is the difference between count A and count, you can let them know that count A works on alphabet and count works on numeric numbers. Alright guys, so I will move to the next question now. Student Surendra is how many years old? We have already done it, so we don't need to use year frame once again. You can easily know that Surendra is 14 years old. Now move to the third question. How many students age greater than 20 years? Okay, so what we will use? We will use count with condition. So if we have condition, so if will be used. Count if the condition is greater than 20. So I'm requesting you all again, read the formula very carefully. Range, I mean the table you have, the data you have, where you want to know how many student, how many I mean that can be applied in multiple scenario. You don't need to count on your finger, but you can use it anywhere. If someone is asking you that how many bikes are there, how many bikes are I mean more than 20,000, 50,000, you need to count that. You can use this formula, right? So range and then criteria greater than 20, enter, and then you can see that 8 people here who are greater than 20 years, right? Okay, so now I will move to the question 4. Student age is greater than 20, then a student adult, otherwise child. All right, so we have done it in our previous video as well, right? So if this is a condition, right? Remember it. Condition, logical test, this. If this is greater than 20, so what will be? Adult, otherwise it will be child. Guys, again, read the formula, do it as formula says. Logical test, what where you want to apply the logic, right? What you need to where you want this formula to be applied. So you need to select that cell, and then what if it is true, I mean the value which you have in cell, it is true. If it is greater than 20, then what will be? It will be adult, otherwise it will be child. So see, this is adult, I need to apply the formula to the bottom. Control T. We have three childs here, and all of them are adult. Okay, so that's very easy. That's very simple. And we have the question number 5. How many student ages greater than or equals to 25? So we have already done this question before. Count if. Okay, so we will be using count if once. Count if range. This is our range. Okay, and then criteria. What is the criteria? Greater than 25, greater than or equals to 25. So you can see this is greater than, there are 7 students who are greater than 25 or equals to 25, and then 8 which is greater than 20 years, and then how many students are here? 11. And then I have told you that how you can, what is the difference between count A and count. I hope this is a video which is going to help you a lot. Okay, if you have any question, please let me know in comments. If you want any question to be solved in my next video, please let me know. I will solve it. I will let you know how you can do it, that in a very easy way. Okay, so just let me know. I'll record and upload. Thank you so much.